With the Gibson McCook Relays 1 week away, one corporate area high school is putting the finishing touches on their preparation. Not only are they gunning for the top finishers at the Relay Carnival, but testing their charges ahead of the National Championships at the end of March. Gerard Morris Seeley reports.
Jamaica College are fancying their chances of recapturing the national boys title at the Big Dance next month, and they'll get the opportunity to further evaluate their chances when they compete at the Gibson McCook Relays on February 28. The Old Hope Road-based institution was invited to compete in all the events under the straight finals format, and coach Dwayne Johnson says that even though they are finalizing which to compete in, the goal is very clear.
I'm looking for us to go out and win at least 6 relays at Gibson Relays. That's our target. There are some events that we're looking at, particularly champs events, and so we put something nice out there, and we hopefully that we can come out on top.
At the 2025 edition, the Dark Blues walked away with 3 top finishes, clocking school records in 8 of the 9 finals that they competed in across the 4x1, 4x2, 4x4, and 4x800 meters. And Coach Johnson is anticipating more impressive performances given the growth of the program.
Improve a lot. I think the injection of the coaches like Corey Bennett and Berth Cameron, kind of help with nurturing and preparing some of these boys, and so far we are looking good in Class 1, which I judge right now as our super class based on the performances coming in. Last weekend we actually ran 40.2 on a 4x1 team that's not necessarily our A team, and we also ran 410 on a 4x4 team that's not necessarily our A team. So it shows the quality and depth that we have to our disposal this year, and I'm looking forward to a treat.
The Gibson McCook Relays are set for the National Stadium next Saturday and will be live on TVJ, TVJ SN, and One Spot Media beginning at 4 p.m. Gerard Morris Seeley for TVJ Sports.
Right then, we're heading into the home stretch now, but we take a break and come back with lots more. Stay tuned.